everybody. Today we're gonna do something and you all looking forward, part of the rejuvenation, achieve the face you love. How we gonna really look good, not kind of like the body kind of swollen or have retained water and become looking quite the size you don't want it to. So now today we're doing something which is reduce your retained water of your body. So achieve that the body more slimmer and look firmer, and which is the detox or lymphatic system and accelerate our metabolism, and also very good to for opening our channel of the yin and the yang meridian, draw the right balance of our body, and also reduce the pain of our leg. Woo! I can't wait that wonder. Can you? Da 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 da! And other one, which is a rolling pin. The magic of the rolling pin costs you nothing but give you a lot, unlimited, priceless. Okay, so find a place you sit comfortably, and so now we work on the foot. How we doing it? So just sit comfortably, obviously, as I said earlier. So we take out the yin and the yang, which is set the yin side, which is the yang side. Okay, so this is the yang, and this is the yin. Okay, so we take out the toxin first by rolling down and increase the energy in this side. Okay, so first of all we pressing down and take out the toxin first. Okay, so what we do is, like this. Okay, from the top of your thigh first, holding and roll it firm, going downward here, the side of your leg. Okay, really strong, 5 to 10 times. And then next one, this one, say, you can lift it up. I turn it that way, then you can see better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then from this, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the in-depth. So, but the in-depth for this below your ankles, so have to be downward. Okay, same is downward. 1, 2, 3. Now you're kneeling on of your making cake or your pancake or the dough. Yeah. So think about eating again. Gosh, me can't stop it. One more time. So the next one, in the in-depth, you should be rolling upward. Okay. So avoid the bone of your ankle bones. So you see that there's a bone here, right? The tibias, yeah. So use the end bit of here. Just caught that. Aim for stay sort of like stabilize that one, and then okay, then you can actually work on the right way. So up 5 times. Okay, I'm slightly faster, but press it as much as you can, stronger. Okay, from there all the way. So I show you better. Is it in. Okay, when you're doing that, another point I needed to tell you, then when you up to this side going, and you stronger, press here. Okay, pause it slightly, maybe 10 seconds or 20 seconds. Yeah. Okay, again. Ooh, gosh, kind of a burning sensation. But after that, you will feel good. Yeah. One more time. And you can see I already have some marks in there. So this is a very simple lymphatic drainage. Hope you like it and feel good You can more than 10 times, but not overdone it. Yeah, 5 to 10 times properly. Okay, so you just flex and upon, loosen it a bit. That would be good. If anything, can help you more, just let me know. And is there any problem? And please share with me. See whether I can resolving it. Thank you. Bye bye.